have today is a Husqvarna 55. I split the crankcase, put new crankcase bearings in it, bearing seals, cylinder head, it's an open port, flat top piston, ported the muffler, rebuilt the carburetor, put a new intakes little system in it there. It's completely been gone through and it's a nice running little saw. Sealed it up with Honda Bond and a gasket. So I've done a lot of these. They're a good firewood saw for somebody. I ran it through one log and it'll cut. It's got a 3/8 pitch chain with a brand new chain and a 20-inch bar. Thanks.